Hello students, how are you today? Today we will look at comparing numbers. Comparing numbers, okay? Look at two children. We have Janice and Siti. They are picking seashells at the beach, okay? How many seashells does each child have? Let's count. Let's begin with Janice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Janice has 7 seashells. Okay? What about Siti? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay? Siti has 7 seashells. What do you think? They have equal number of seashells. Say it again. Equal. Equal. When we say equal, it means that we have same number. So 7 is equal to 7. We use this symbol to show equal. Okay? 7 is equal to 7. All I can say, 7 is the same as 7. Okay? So, Janice picks one more seashell. Okay? Now, how many seashells does Janice have? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Janice has 8 seashells. But Siti still has 7 seashells. Okay? What do you think? The number of their seashells is not equal. Say it again. Not equal. Not equal. If you don't want to say not equal, you can say not the same as. Not the same as. Okay, now we can say that 8 is not equal to 7. 8 is not equal to 7. But this is the same as 7 is not equal to 8. So I can say 7 is not equal to 8 or 8 is not equal to 7. That's great. Okay. So let us understand more about equal and not equal. Remember, this symbol means equal and this symbol means not equal. So what do you think? 5 and 5. We say 5 is equal to 5. What about this? 9 is not equal to 4. What about this? 8 is equal to 8. So here we have not equal, equal, not equal, not equal, not equal, and equal. 3 is equal to 3. Okay? Now, look at this. Remember, Janice has 8 seashells and Siti has 7 seashells. Okay? So, Janice has more seashells than Siti. Say it again. More than. One more time. More than. Okay? When we say more than, it means bigger than. Okay? It is the same as bigger than, the same as greater than. So, we see that Janice has 8. So, she has a bigger number of seashells than City, who has 7 seashells. Okay? So, we can say that 8 is more than 7. 8 is more than 7. We use this symbol to show more than. Okay? And also we can see that City has less seashells than Janice. Less is the same as small. When we say less than, it is the same as smaller than, or the same as fewer than. Okay? So it means that City has smaller number of seashells than Janice. So we say that 7 is less than 8. 7 is less than 8. Okay? Let's look at this in details. More than. We use this symbol to show more than. Less than. We use this symbol to show less than. Okay, so what do you think? 1 and 5. We see that 1 is small. So it means that 1 is less than 5. Look at 9. 9 is big and 4 is small. It means that 9 is more than 4. 6 is less than 8. 7 is more than 2. 4 is less than 10. 1 is less than 9. 2 is less than 7. 0 is less than 6. 6 is more than 3. Very good. I hope that you can understand the difference between more than and less than. Okay, let's continue. Now, write more or fewer in each blank. Remember, more is the same as bigger. Fewer is the same as smaller or the same as less. Okay? Now, we have got 3 apples and 2 oranges. Okay? Now, there are, what do you think? Oranges are more or fewer? Apples are more or fewer? We see that apples are more. So we say there are more apples than oranges. Okay? What about this? There are dash oranges than apples. What do you think? Okay, you can write your answer. Fewer. There are fewer oranges than apples. Now, complete the following. Dash is 1 more than 5. Now, if I have 5 and I say 1 more, it means that I get 6. What about if I have 3 and I say 1 more? I get 4. What about if I have 9? 1 less than 9. It means that I go back. So 1 less than 9 is 8. What about 1 less than 5? Yes, it is 4. That's great. Let's now do some practice. Okay? You can go on page 13, and we do practice together. Number 1, fill in the numbers, then write more than, all, less than in each box. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have got 4. What about here? 1, 2. We have got 2. So what do you think? We know that 4 is more than 2. That's great. So now I want you to think about B. What do you think? How many pictures do we have? 1, 2, 3. Okay. What about here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what do you think? 3 is small, so we say 3 is less than 5. That's good. Okay. Number 2. Fill in the numbers, then write equal, all, not equal in each box. Okay, part A. Here we have got 1 picture. Here we have got 2. We know that 1 is not equal to 2. Okay, what about part B? We have got 1, 2, 3. Here we have got 1, 2, 3. What do you think? Equal or not equal? Yes, it is equal. Very good. So 3 is equal to 3. That's great. Okay, now go to page 14 up to 15. Then you do the exercise. Part 1. Circle the groups that have the same number of objects. Remember, the same. The same means equal. Okay? The same number of objects. Let's do part A together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, let's check this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no. Let's check this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yes. We have got 4 and here we have got 4. Okay. Now answer part B. Okay. Let's go to number 2. Write more, all, fewer in each blank. More, all, fewer in each blank. We have got 3 balls and 2 tennis balls. So what do you think? Remember, more means bigger, then fewer means smaller, the same as less. So there are more balls than tennis balls. Very good. Now I want you to answer this one. Write your answer in your book. Okay, let's go to part 3. write equal or not equal in the blank. Okay? Equal. Equal means the same as. Then not equal means not the same as. Okay? Now, what should we write here? Equal or not equal? Yes, write your answer in your book. Okay. Number 4. Circle the number that is one more than the number of dots. One more. One more. Let's count how many dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now, one more than 7. Remember, this is 7. Now, one more. We go to 8. So we circle 8. Number 5. Circle the number that is one less than the dots. Okay? One less than the number of dots. How many dots do we have? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10. When we say one less, it means that we go back. So one less is, yes. When we say one more, it means that we go forward. Okay, so write your answer for number 5. Okay. Number 6. Write the number that is one more than the number of objects. Look, how many objects do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we say one more. Yes. Now, one more than 4 is 5. Okay? Write your answer for B. Okay? We got number 7. Write the number that is one less than the number of objects. We will answer part A together, then you answer part B alone. Okay? Look at A. How many objects do we have? 1, 2. When we say one less, we put one off. What do we have? We have got our answer as 1. Now answer part B. I believe that you have all understood. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day. Goodbye.